An increasing number of people today are suffering from fatigue and a lack of energy, which is really having a significant impact on their lives. This could very well be due to magnesium deficiency. The energy currency of all living organisms is adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, as it's commonly known. Magnesium plays a critical role in energy production by acting as a cofactor for many enzymes involved in cellular respiration and ATP synthesis. It stabilizes ATP by forming a complex called magnesium ATP, which is essential for ATP's biological activity. Without magnesium, ATP cannot be properly utilized by the enzymes that drive metabolic reactions, including those in glycolysis and the Krebs cycle. So magnesium is really vital for efficient energy metabolism and cellular function. Results from a global study have shown that a large percentage of the population worldwide is deficient in multiple nutrients, including magnesium. Optimizing daily magnesium intake is important to restore normal physiological functions and energy production, helping people feel vibrant and energized. The good news is that nutrients like magnesium have pleiotropic effects, meaning they offer multiple health and wellness benefits. So, don't wait. Act now.